So I'm here at the Marshalls in Santa Clarita. I don't have a lot of time on my battery, so we're gonna kind of make this trip a little quick. You know what I'm saying? I want to show you guys the highlights and stuff, some New Balances, some shocks. They love these. Marshall's in love with these Air Force Ones, man. They got them on deck all day. I don't even know what the sticker price is on them. These Jordans here as well. Not too good on these also. Kind of different. 23 stitching on the tongue. What do you guys think about those? Some Adidas. Been seeing these shocks around a lot. They're now 40 bucks. That's not a bad price point for those. Not sure what these Nikes are. Going for $24 though. Look almost like a golf type of shoe or something. More shocks. Okay. Not mad at this. 49 bucks. I don't see. Oh, they got size 10 and size 9. And these bad boys for 49 bucks. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? This is kind of a clean colorway. 49 bucks on deck. Okay, this is a little bit of a shocker, because these are actually in store now inside Foot Locker and Champ. I just seen them a few days ago. 49 bucks here as opposed to the $100 price point they're trying to charge at the store. They got a 9.5 and a 10.5 and an 11. If you guys are in the Valley area and you're looking for a pair of the S1s, S3.1s, new type of material. And this is one of the newer colorways because that pattern is different than the first colorway or the first of the pods that came out. You know what I mean? Look down here too. Sometimes you just never know what you're gonna come across. We got some NMDs here. Okay, definitely seen this colorway before. This is a size 14. Not bad. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Is there a tag with it, a price point tag? I don't see it. All I see is the alarm. I got another pair here. Oh, this is something different. Why is this not on deck either? We definitely seen this shoe in a different colorway. This is retailing for 59 bucks. Kind of worth that price point. It's size 13. This is my size. I like this side. I like the medial side with that blue and that red Lego block, as some people call it. Not too bad. Maybe somebody hid those because those are pretty dope. They probably don't want people to see them. They probably didn't want people to see them, so they try to hide them. But these are pretty fire, bro. My size. Green colorway, we definitely seen these more on deck. They need to have these on display also. And then you got another colorway, like a black and white colorway. Sometimes you gotta look below the surface because they don't be having everything on display for some reason. And they have good shoes that's not on display, which is crazy. So we got these on deck. We got these on deck. We got these on deck. Adidas is flooding the market right now. We got a Nike that's sliding up in there also. But which one do you guys like the most out of the shoes you guys are seeing? Pretty good selection here at Santa Clarita, if you ask me. Boost all day. Nike too, but Boost all day. We just seen these at the Nike outlet. They got them here now. 59 bucks. Should be lower, especially being here. New Balances. Not too bad, man. So far so good. These shocks we've seen at multiple Marshalls and Macy's, Marshalls and Ross's. 40 bucks for these, not a bad price point. I think these right here, this is a very nice colorway of this shoe. $49 price point is not bad either. This is definitely like a popping summer, spring type shoe colorway. If you guys ask me, I could be wrong though. What do you guys think? I'm also not mad at this Adidas Pod S3.1 in this colorway. Like I said, this is one of the ones that you guys will find in the store now. Newer upper material on this one. Retail for 49 bucks here as opposed to like 100, which you will find in the stores. So this is definitely a good price point for this shoe. It's a dope shoe. Now this Adidas we've seen plenty of times at plenty of Marshalls and Ross. They're starting to flood the market even more. Boost is flooding the market. At one point it would be unheard of, but it's a new day, you dig? As we're floating through, we see another colorway of this Pod S3.1. Have not seen this colorway in none of the stores. Haven't really seen it online. It's retailing here for 49 bucks, which I think is truly worth it. What do you guys think? They got a few sizes in them, 12, 10, and 11. This colorway is not bad. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree? Let me know in the comment section below, you dig? And next to that shoe is this shoe right here, which I think is pretty epic also, especially to be here. This colorway is dope for this Air Max. It's retailing for 79 bucks. I wish the price was just a little bit lower. But both of these right here are definitely on point. Nike versus Adidas. You know what I'm saying? Which one do you guys like more? That's probably gonna be the thumbnail too. So after taking a look around at this location, these are probably two of the better shoes that I came across. One from Nike, one from Adidas. Which one do you guys like more? Both of these shoes are pretty comfortable.
One, please, Ken. Thank you.
Both of these shoes are pretty comfortable. I like the colorway of this one. The colorway of this one is not bad either, and I have not seen this one too much in the store. So if you're winning on either one of these, I'm in Santa Clarita at the Marshalls, right next to the Nike outlet. So I guarantee you guys will find some shoes you want. If you come out to this area, you'll find.
Will the customer by the name of Frank please go to the front of the store, please? Will the customer by the name of Frank please come to the front of the store?
They better find Frank. Hopefully they find him. Boom, boom. Which one you guys like? Comment down below. Back here in the clearance aisle, find some Adidas 9.5. These ones look pretty dope. They remind me of the Alexander Wangs, but I'm pretty sure they're not. I'm pretty sure they will have some type of branding on it. But what do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Some more stuff on clearance. See something you like. 32 bucks. Nothing really standing out. They got futures on deck. Future lows for 45 bucks. Definitely should be cheaper than that. Got this thing floating around here. 40 bucks now. Future lows again. 45. Just seen these in another colorway. 59. Maybe they should lower the price on those too. Some EQT supports. Some more of these. 26 bucks. This Tommy Hilfiger, uh-oh, $24. They got them, SFA1s on deck, 49 bucks in that colorway, 49 bucks in the black and colorway, but they got a lot of them, as you can see. Some more of the Puma Spectres. Wow, somebody did a job right there on these. Maybe they got a couple pair. These things are pretty heavy, but some people do like them. I own a pair of the triple blacks. What do you guys think about these? Just gotta get rid of that stain. I wonder if they would discount it for that. $59 for these NMDs right here. Cop pass, fire or trash. Kind of got like the tie-dye thing going on. Probably be dope going to the beach or something like that. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? I'm liking the shoestrings on there too. Adds a little touch to it. New Balance 274 or 247. Colorway not too bad, like a maroon tone with the orange hints. This is going for 40 bucks on this one. 59 bucks. I'm telling you, the other colorway we saw, these was much better. But these are not too bad. What do you think? Seen these in that pinkish colorway, which I think looks better. This brown is cool, but not for me. 49 bucks or 50 bucks for these. Still got D-Rup floating around the world. Disappointment in this shoe. Overhyped. If you like them, different type of insole though. Maybe this is a special edition. 49 bucks. What do you guys think about these? Down below in that comment section. These are kind of trash for me, but maybe good for you. Price tag is ripped off of them. Don't know what they even called. More new news. More new news. New Balance. The Kawhi New Balances are actually not bad at all, bro. Both of the ones he came out with look pretty dope. Some more of these Shocks in a smaller size. $30 on these bad boys now. What do you think? Got some feelers on deck for the feeler heads that do watch. We got a few of those out there. I don't know what the hell these are. I'm good on them. They got these in a different colorway for bigger feet, size $54 for those. Some more feelers real quick before we wrap it up. Some more feelers. But like I said, we got some feeler heads out there watching. These are only 31 bucks. Thank you for coming out here to the Marshalls out here in Santa Clarita. They have a lot of things going on, much more than just shoes, but I just came to cover the shoes. I was right next door for the the finished, or the Nike store, the Nike outlet next door. So decided to come out here. We did see a couple things. Let me know if you see something you like. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces. Perfect.